Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Today I've got a really cool unboxing I want to share with you guys. I have several coming in this week. This one I was kind of excited about after checking out their first knife. But if you would give me just a second, I do want to thank all the channel members. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you. And then I just want to welcome any of you that are coming through. Hope you enjoy the content. If you're so inclined, if you'll hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it'll really help me out. So I appreciate it. But here we have a order from Mr. Designs. If you guys have checked out the channel lately, I picked up a Mr. Cipher and really liked it. Was a big fan, so got on their website, checked out some of the other stuff they offer, saw that they had some accessories for the Cipher, or some options I should say. I'm using my Amazon razor knife not very effectively to get into this package without tearing stuff up. That's my goal anyway. So anyway, there may be several things in this package. Those, we'll get to that later. And this. See if there's anything else in there. All right. So we have another knife from Mr. Designs. Not a brand that I was initially familiar with. A brand that I became familiar with from the Cipher. Really love that knife. Love the design philosophy behind it. And for the Cipher, I was able to acquire some pivot collars and some titanium scales. So we'll have a scale swap coming up on the Mr. Cipher. Fantastic knife, by the way, guys. But anyway, I learned after spending some time on the site that they make other knives. So I had seen this before, Troll Candy, on I forget whose channel. But really wanted to take a chance on it after experiencing the Cipher. This is the Mr. Zero. It's a minimalist knife. What you probably notice is its lack of hardware. You've got one piece of hardware on the clip side, one screw, nothing on the show side. M390 titanium, a very slick package when I saw it. I don't know if you guys watched my Cipher video or my unboxing, but very sharp, well done blades. And again, this is a 180 degree, well, not quite 180 degree, but this is a big departure from the Cipher. This is a button lock, perfectly centered, a wire clip, and you've just got this real low profile flipper. So if I was going to put this in my pocket, it goes right down in my pocket. There's absolutely nothing exposed, and you pull it out and this is what you've got. A snappy, minimalistic M390 flat ground, very pokey, stabby. Guys, I really like the simplicity of that. You've got this is not a backspacer. This show side actually comes all the way around, and you have this one side, I don't know if y'all can see that, the way it's milled in right there. It's done very, very well. I want to say, and when I do a full review on this, I'll let you guys know, but I want to say that this is a Best Tech OEM knife, because that's what the cipher was, but I'm not 100% sure. It's got a very neutral handle. It is a medium-sized knife, just to give you a quick size comparison. I know this isn't a review, this is just an unboxing, but that's a bug out. And that's a pair too. So it gives you an idea of the size of the knife. I think it's a great EDC size for me personally. I thought it was a design when I first saw it on somebody's channel that was out of the ordinary, that was unique. And one of the things I love when it comes to collecting is finding companies that I like, designs that I like that are different. Trying them out to see how they suit me, and then sharing them with you guys, right? You just got the blade steel M390, real small there, and the Mr. Maker's mark. And this is what I would call a very simple, functional EDC package that I'm stoked to try out. I love it. Bought it with my money. Bought it from Mr. site, so I'll link that there. It's my second Mr. knife. Guys, I'm thinking about buying the Cipher D, which is the drop point version of the Cipher, but really don't think I need it because the blades are, the Tonto in the Cipher to me is so elegant that it does everything a drop point would do. But I will have a video coming up with this, doing a full review on it, because I think this definitely deserves that. Maybe we'll take it apart. And we'll definitely be taking apart the Cipher when we put on our new scales. But guys, I appreciate you stopping by. I appreciate you checking out my content. I appreciate all of the channel members. I appreciate you guys in the community that show up for the live streams. And I love y'all. What I really ask is if you'll please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.